Hello and welcome back to NEET Decoded. Hope you have gone through the previous videos of the NEET MCQ series. So let's take a new question for discussion. And the question is, identify the correct statement with regard to G1 or Gap1 phase of interphase. And the options are DNA synthesis or replication takes place. Option 2, reorganization of all cell components takes place. Option 3, cell is metabolically active, grows, but does not replicate its DNA. And 4, nuclear division takes place. So let's move on to the explanation part. Now, during G1 or Gap1 phase of the cell cycle, there is increase in size of the cell, as you know. The cell cycle of non-reproductive cells has 4 stages, which are M, G1, G2, and S phase. Now, G1, G2, and S phases are part of the interphase during which the cells prepare themselves for division. Now, the interphase actually marks the phase between two mitotic phases. You can see the diagram carefully. Fine. Now, DNA synthesis takes place during S phase or synthetic phase of the cell cycle, and a complete copy of the DNA is formed. The DNA content doubles and becomes 4C. Now the pair of sister chromatids are counted as a single chromosome. So the chromosome number remains unchanged at 2N. Moving on to the next option, the G2 or second gap phase is marked by reorganization of cell components. The cell grows, it forms more organelles and proteins, and basically readies the cell for next phase, that is mitosis. Now coming on to the third option. During G1 phase or Gap1 phase, the cell shows continuous growth, but there is no replication of DNA as such. There is, however, synthesis of messenger RNA and proteins. This helps the cell again to prepare itself for mitotic division, which occurs subsequently. Now, G1 phase takes place before the synthetic phase and G2 phase occurs after the synthetic phase. Now, during M or mitotic phase, karyokinesis or division of the nucleus takes place. The mitotic stage passes through 4 phases, which are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Now, during telophase, the 2 sets of chromosomes that are formed are surrounded by a nuclear membrane, and so 2 nuclei are formed. So, during Gap1 phase, cell is metabolically active, grows, but does not replicate its DNA. So this is the answer. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.